I don't know about you, but I'm at the point in winter where I start dreaming about the warm sunshine as I walk through the yard, a cool breeze in the mornings with the windows open, and longer light in the evenings. I begin envisioning what my ideal summer will look like. This summer will be extra exciting as we are expecting our second baby girl to join our family. And as I think about what I want my summer to look like with the anticipation of welcoming another baby, I've started considering the ways I can prepare now to have a simpler and more peaceful summer. A summer that's spent mainly outside rather than inside, and a summer that's filled with fun and more things we love rather than just household duties. It's natural that we tend to spend more time outside of the home in the summer than in the winter, which can lead to neglect around our homes. Since we are welcoming baby this summer, I'm preparing to not only enjoy the summer and get the most out of it, but I'm simultaneously thinking about all the nesting inside the home that I naturally am drawn to do in the third trimester. If you want to enjoy your summer and spend less time caring for your home while at the same time not neglecting it, now is the perfect time to implement some late winter and early spring rhythms into your day-to-day life. First, if you are feeling overwhelmed by your home currently, or you get to the end of your day after running around nonstop only to feel like you didn't accomplish anything, I highly recommend taking inventory of your current household cleaning schedule or routine and see what's working and what's not. Several months ago, after getting to the end of each day, feeling like I did so much yet didn't get to nearly all that I wanted to, I decided I needed to give myself a clear routine so I know what I'm responsible for each and every day. That routine has helped me relieve so much unnecessary stress from my life and has made caring for my home actually enjoyable and not a burden. It's also filled with so much flexibility, yet all while having a clear expectation each day. I will link my past videos talking about my cleaning schedule in the description down below if you're interested in learning more. I also began thinking of the pain point areas in my home, those hidden closets and areas that don't get specialized attention each week, and I've started tackling those areas here and there now before the nice weather hits. That way I can go into the spring and summer with decluttered and freshly organized spaces. For example, now is a great time to take inventory of our wardrobes, see what fits, what never gets worn, and either sell, donate, or toss what's not being used. The other key to decluttering and organizing is to not only do it, but to also be intentional about what we are bringing back into our homes over the next several months. By limiting what's coming in, there's less to manage and less to organize or reclutter in the future. For example, maybe you're in a season like myself. If you guys have been around for any length of time, you know I love home decor. But with a toddler and another baby on the way, the more pretty stuff I have displayed means the more I have to manage while chasing a toddler around the house. So in this season, I'm embracing the more basic, simplistic rooms with less decor and enjoying that my home is easier to manage this way. It's easier to clean, takes less time to bring everything back together if things do get messy. Another great way to take inventory of the items that we have is to feel free and tuck away even some of your favorite decor or furniture pieces, even if it's just for a season, and enjoy managing less. This is a great practice to see if it's actually something you love or miss, or if it's something that you realize you don't actually need and you can either donate or sell it. Having small, daily manageable tasks to tackle daily as the warmer weather approaches and less physical items to manage will give us more flexibility to enjoy time with our family and our friends and get outside, which is good for all of us. This is the summer you want to experience without letting your home become neglected. I hope this video encourages you to get on a consistent routine and start tackling those bigger decluttering projects now. Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.